Welcome to the Week at Wise. This is Ariel, Ava, and Sophia.
We were pretty busy at Wise School this past week, in addition to the deep learning we enjoy every day.
We also enjoyed the opportunity to bring the musical Oliver to life on stage,
as well as visits with our administrators and teachers from our new sister school in Tel Aviv, El Haritz. But that's not all.
There was also Passover to prepare for.
From our youngest
to our oldest, especially meaningful was the
third grade Passover experience, which examined the Passover through the lens of
one of our own Y School Hebrew teachers, Mrs. Malka Miodowski.
We hope that everyone enjoys a wonderful Passover.
Here's what's coming up when we return.
And here are some notes for our WPA.
And don't
forget to follow us online or on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Thanks again. Shabbat Shalom and Chag Sameach.